Hello everyone, welcome to post market analysis of Nifty for today. So, Nifty in the morning it opened between yesterday's high and closing. So, if you see, this was the high for yesterday and this was the closing. Nifty opened exactly in between the high and closing of yesterday's price. Um, for a couple of hours, it broke the high, yesterday's high, and there was a brief consolidation of price. It was as if Nifty was going to test higher levels today, and most probably, I believe uh, most of the buyers, the call buyers, and the FOMO traders, fear of missing out traders, they might have taken their positions as soon as market broke this level of 23,800. Uh, After a brief consolidation, market could not proceed higher, and it immediately trapped the buyers who had taken positions in the early hours today. So there was a brief sellout. Again, Nifty tested the today's opening price. It consolidated near today's opening price, and there was a bit of buying after consolidation. Nifty couldn't close above 23,800, and there was a steep correction. Uh, there was a swing low from yesterday's market. If you see, this is the swing low. This is the swing low. The price tested the swing low. It has swept the liquidity below 23,650 and closed around uh, near to 23,650. So the buyers who have taken positions at 23,700 and 23,750, who are expecting market to go long, are for now they are trapped. And tomorrow and after tomorrow, it's a weekend. There could be time delay, time decay for the contracts if the trapped traders are option buyers. So their contracts would undergo certain decay of 2 days weekend, and a Monday morning opening is very important. We need to see if Monday morning, if market gaps up, or will it gaps down below 23,650 to test the lower levels and to uh, close this imbalance that is being created. So I know it's a tough time for the buyers who bought at higher levels and got trapped and holding their positions overnight. Definitely they would spend their weekend in the restless mode. That's common in trading sometimes. So let's hope for the positive for next week, and obviously the opening would entirely depend on the geopolitical issues that are currently prevailing and the decisions that will be taken on this weekend um, by the US and Iran and US and China. There is a new topic coming up related to Taiwan. So let's see how the discussions develop between US and China. Um, uh, what happens to the Strait of Hormuz issue? So all that. So that's all for today. Uh, Let's meet again with a pre-market report on Monday. Uh, Hopefully it gaps up, and let's hope for the positive for the trapped traders today. So this is very important in trading. Whenever price is playing at a premium level, being patient is very important rather than getting into a FOMO entry, expecting or assuming that it is going to break higher levels, or is it going to reach 24,000 or that. See, market is a zero sum game. I mean, for every buyer, there should also be a seller to do that. If buyer is ready to buy higher, even there should be a seller who is ready to sell higher. If one party is not ready to go higher, obviously the market would start consolidating, and it would. And please remember, market is never going to buy higher. Market always buys lower and sells higher. So that is one of the fundamental aspects of market. So yeah, that's all for today, and let's catch up on Monday. um, till then, have a wonderful weekend ahead. Thank you.